Greetings everyone, and welcome to today's video on my channel. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of resolving issues encountered while attempting to install Windows Update KB5033375 on your Windows 11 system, particularly when facing error code 0x8F991. Let's start with the initial step, which involves running the Update Troubleshooter. To access this, navigate to the Start menu, proceed to Settings, select System, and then locate the Troubleshoot option. Within the Troubleshoot menu, find and run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Once completed, restart your computer and attempt to update Windows 11 again. Moving on, we'll address the need to restart both the Windows Update and Background Intelligent Transfer Service, BITS. Access the Services menu by searching for Services in the Windows search box. Locate Windows Update, ensure that its startup type is set to automatic, and proceed to restart the service. Repeat this process for the Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Afterward, attempt to update Windows once more. If the issue persists, consider utilizing the Windows 11 Installation Assistant. You can find the download link provided in the video description. After downloading and running the assistant, follow the prompts to check for and install any pending updates. In case the Windows 11 Installation Assistant fails to launch, try running it in compatibility mode for Windows 7 by adjusting the properties of the executable file. Another approach involves utilizing the Microsoft Update Catalog. Follow the link provided in the video description, search for the specific update, KB5033375, and ensure compatibility with your system's version. Next, consider resetting Windows Update components using the provided commands. Execute these commands in Notepad, save the file, and run it as an administrator to initiate the process. If all else fails, resort to using the Media Creation tool to update Windows 11. Download the tool from the provided link, run it, and follow the on-screen instructions to create an ISO file and proceed with the installation. By following these steps outlined in the video, you should be able to successfully install the required update on your Windows 11 system. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials.